Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install custom DRLs that go on the side of your bumper, or you can install them in your headlight if you want. If you get different type, but for this car, they make these type of fog lights. They sit instead of the OEM plastic covers, and these have a white DRL and a yellow or orange turn signal LED light in there. I'm doing this video because the kit doesn't come with any instructions. It just comes with the DRLs, daytime running lights, and the wiring for it. All that being said, what you need to do is take off your bumper and then remove your headlights. And after that, I'll show you how the wiring goes. Now that I have removed I already took out all the screws for the bumper and both headlights. But I kept this headlight on just to test which light I'm turning on. And here, let me explain how the wiring goes. So the yellow wires will go to the turn signal. One for the left side, the passenger side, and one for the driver's side. And I'm not sure what the white wire does, but I tried a bunch of times, but I couldn't figure it out. But it also comes with a positive and negative wire. Now this one goes to your negative battery terminal. This one goes to a bulb in your headlight, the pin off of the connector right there, this one right here. And that's where one of those pins is going to be for this this red wire, but you're going to have to choose if you want it on your low beam, the light you drive with at night, or you want it to go on your daytime running light. So I'll put this one on the daytime running light instead of the night light, whatever you want to call it, the low beam. And for that, I need a wire tester, which I got right here. I plugged this to the negative or positive battery terminal, and it tells me which one, which pins off of that connector right here I need to wire into. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll give them a quick test before I will weld all the wirings in. So off of what you can see, this is what the connector for the fog light that they send with the kit. This is it. Since this is the short one, it's shorter than the other one. This is going to go on the driver's side. So this module right here is going to go right here, somewhere in this driver's side area. If I put it in the passenger side, I won't have enough room to run the negative wire. Yep, the negative wire to the battery terminal, so I'll put it on the driver's side. So now I've checked which wires I need to splice into, and which pins off of this connector right here. Oops. So this connector right here, the yellow wire for the turn signal, if my camera can focus, is on this pin right here. And the red wire went to this pin right here. So I'll call it 1, 2, 3, 4, pin 4 right here on the left. And then the yellow one went to this bottom one on the right. And for the other side, I assume it's the same for this side right here. And what else? The white wire, I still haven't figured out what it is, so I'm just gonna tape it up and leave it to the side. And I tried asking the seller, but I guess they don't know what it is, so they never replied. But the black wire right here, I just plugged that into the negative battery terminal. And let me put you guys on time lapse. So I'll get it all wired up and connected to the bumper down here. And I'll put the bumper back on and you'll see it. And it's pretty simple. This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, but it's basically the same idea for any type of car or truck, or any way you want to wire up your custom LED lights, or if you get a custom set of lights to the side you want to install. Just the same basic idea. You can install them on your headlight if you don't want to put an external button. Now I wired up the way I want it, so I'm gonna do a little bit of wire cleanup on that mess right there. It's more of a mess here. Let's go in and have a look. Do a little bit of wire cleanup and then mount this module somewhere. And this is all done. So the red and yellow wire are mounted in. Now I'm gonna splice my turn signal wire into this connector, and that should be it. After I do all the wire cleanup, that should be it for the install. Should be ready to work properly. And it doesn't need any fuses or anything, any external fuses, because it's basically gonna run with factory headlight wires. So if anything happens, it will. The installation, I wired up everything, and I wired up the wires to the other side right there, through up front right here instead of behind, and it's fine. There shouldn't be any heat because this is a what is it? This is an AC condenser. It doesn't get hot at all. I mean, it could, but it shouldn't, and it's right up front, so it would get cooled down. I'm not worried about the wires melting at all, but I decided to keep my wires exposed like that. Doesn't really make a difference since they're not on the exterior of the car, but if you don't want to do that, you can use some of this, I don't know what they call it, but it covers up wires, and all you have to do is just snake in your wire through here. They sell them at AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. O'Reilly, you can literally get them anywhere. Now that I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and install everything back together, put the headlights in, bolt them on, put the new fog lights onto the bumper.